those of you who are avid vlog watchers will have noticed that I did not upload last week, and that is because I just fancied not vlogging. But I did still vlog Pride, so that went up already on Friday. Oh, it's literally like 35 degrees. Oh, so, to catch you up on last weekend, I had Jess come for Pride. I photographed a wedding, which was beautiful, with my friend Ashleigh. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen, on my photography Instagram, you'll have seen some sneaky peek pictures, which I was really proud of. It was just such a beautiful wedding. I loved it so much. Oh, it's always nice to photograph with your friends. I used to work with her and we went to the same school, so that was lovely. And then just general job hunting and that kind of stuff. And the weather right now is making me want to die just a little bit. It's so hot, I can't cope. And apparently there has been a category 3 storm warning issued for this evening, which has scuppered my plans because I was supposed to go and see Alex, and more importantly, Alex's kitten Garth, who I still haven't met and I am desperate to go and see, but he lives across Dunbar Bridge and it would just be far too dangerous for me to drive over. Oh, so I can't go. Oh, Hoover, looks nice. I've just gotten back from the hairdressers, finally had it all chopped back off again, and it already feels 10,000 times nicer. And my face is just so red because I can't stop sweating, especially from the moustache area. Just too hot. The back of my knees are just swimming pools, basically. Swimming pools. And as you can tell, I am rather sunburnt, which is lovely. And I have pretty much just given up on wearing makeup completely because it just sweats off. So for the rest of today, I'm just going to edit my holiday vlog because between Monday and Wednesday I went camping with Rosie. I've nearly finished it, but I've got a little bit left to do. I'm also going to edit the wedding pictures. I'm just going to watch some TV, I guess. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I've applied for literally like 1,000 jobs. So fingers crossed something will come along soon.
There is a lovely storm going on, isn't there?
Yeah, just a little bit.
It's a complete storm has decided to hit us.
And of course it hits at the exact time that I need to be driving.
Yep. Really fun. Having fun, going to work. Complete rain everywhere, and now the window literally looks like it's got frosted glass. Barely.
And the fact that I literally can't see out my window is not helpful.
Go, fan.
Oh, ice cream bag.
Who gets some ice cream in this fucking storm?
Oh, I wonder what his name is.
Storm Meg.
Yeah, because there's already a shark movie coming out with my fucking name.
The Meg.
Mega shark.
Did you see that? There was lightning.
We're going to watch.
I tweeted about it and I was like, why the fuck is there a shark movie called Meg? And apparently the shark's name is like Megalodon.
It's the Megalodon.
Yeah, but it's pissed me off because I'm like, I'm the Meg.
It is the
Why
Meg.
have I not got a movie?
Do you the Meg face?
That was my shark face. Thunderbirds are go! Thundercats are go! Shit!
So we finished in Sainsbury's and we just saw a massive flash of lightning.
Nice in the cane, you twat.
And it
it just happened again!
right down.
Like an actual beam.
It's all like flashing everywhere and there's pink bits in it.
It's beautiful! Saturday morning. It's the afternoon. It's the afternoon. I'm here with my angel. Hello. We have. What street is this? Matchell Street.
I think this is Jarrett Street, but I'm not sure.
Well, basically there's been a Banksy here for about a year now and I've still not seen it because I just couldn't figure out where it was. So Ashley's bringing me to see it.
So
yeah, we're supposed to be going to Preston Road because Bankside have on a live painting session of 10 houses today that I am very excited about going to see. Ooh, doggy. Hello. But we couldn't really find it yet, so we've stopped off here to go and see the Banksy. So I thought, that's fucking hilarious. Dealers operate in this area. These are great. Pussy magnet. This is Zorro Foxgiven. Terrible view art. Oh, I'm so happy with my shorter hair, you know. Oh, there's the bridge. It's been blocked off. Oh, it got vandalised within. I've been wondering where that was. This is fucking huge. I've been wondering where that was for ages. It's beautiful. You know, I didn't actually watch the launch. I didn't watch it.
Watch that one bit.
I
We got
didn't.
it for a split second.
Yeah, that's all I saw because someone filmed it. Rosie's mum filmed it and sent it to her. So, big
Up there, the Banksy.
so we've got to look at, because we live in Hull, it is behind this grate, and it's
got perspex over it as well.
and it, yeah, because someone vandalised it. There it is. There's our Banksy with its perspex over it, and yeah. So how long ago did it get put up? It got put up last year, I'm assuming, like quite a long time ago. I bet you can't even fucking hear me.
I went to January because I went to go see it on my birthday with my sister. Not like as a birthday treat or anything like that, but like just go to town and
It got put up this year, maybe.
yeah, like
It's going to be too windy. And someone vandalised it within a couple of weeks, didn't they? Literally painted over it.
Like hours.
For a couple of hours. And someone just painted over it. They didn't even paint something over it, did they? They just painted white.
Yeah, they just painted white.
They just painted white over the top of a Banksy. So then a couple of hours after that because someone posted it on Facebook, didn't they?
Yeah.
And they wanted to like...
A window cleaner came.
yeah, a window cleaner came and loads of other Hull citizens came to clean... Oh, they were driving fast. Came to clean up our Banksy, which was dead cute, and then they put a giant thing of perspex over it so people couldn't...
Sad, isn't it, really?
It's really sad! So now they've put a fence around it as well. I told the rug doctor I was in love with you.
Did you?
I did. And then the rug doctor, he told me what to do.
What did he tell you to do?
Oh, oh, we get to play with the rug doctor. I'm excited. Oh, we're in Ashleigh's new house.
New house, bitches!
I'm so excited. And we get to play with the rug doctor, which I've never used before.
What are we listening to?
Oh. Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj.
Right, in this camera I always say I look tanned, but honestly now I'm tanned, I look so tanned.
You really do. You look the same colour as the wall, kind of.
Where'd you go?
I want to break free.
You're like, it's ridiculous, actually, but it's like, wow. Right, we need to actually do this, what? I have to leave here.
One of the houses very, very, very close by is currently doing, and has been doing for the whole time I've been here, karaoke. And they've just done Eternal Flame. And it was bad. And I love it. They also did ABBA. Gimme, 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 a Man After Midnight, I think it was. It was fantastic. We've hoovered the whole house. So I think, before the rug doctor's ready, empty house tour time.
Yeah.
So we'll start in here.
We've got to start at the front door.
Oh, we start at the front door.
That's how it works.
Okay.
I'll put some in.
This is the front door. So from the front door, as if I'm walking in, this is the beautiful terracotta carpet.
Apparently, according to the landlord, it's brick red. Maybe it will be after it's been rug doctored. We'll see.
We'll see. And then up there is where the stairs are. And this way, through this, there is a door, we've just opened it, is what the living room's going to be. So we're going to have a couch here, aren't we? Yeah. I keep saying we. This is your house.
Well, I keep saying we as well, and I don't know who we are. I've got
couch.
A corner sofa. I've got a corner sofa to go here.
To go there.
You can have a look for a tape measure.
Oh yeah. I don't want to shout with you.
Sofa. Here.
Another one?
No.
No.
So I was testing it.
Yeah, okay.
Sofa. Telly.
Telly.
TV here.
Oh, in the corner?
Yeah. TV.
But then you can't open the door.
I didn't think about that.
I'd put it here.
I feel like that's too far away.
Couch. TV.
I want to see if it'll fit in this gap first.
You won't be able to open the door.
Yeah, because it could go in the alcove, so I'm just not like proper slamming the door, like, alright.
But the door will be in front of the TV.
You shut the door.
We'll figure out these logistics later.
Yeah. So I've
Big shelf.
Telly in one of the alcoves.
One of the alcoves. I think in chimney breast, but we do you.
It's weird. And then I have like some drawers, plants, shelves.
Yes.
Picture
for
frames.
the alcove.
Mirror.
Big mirror.
Big mirror. And possibly like
Something.
Table. Rug. Coffee table.
See, rug and coffee table, I'm imagining, and then like a big, you know, like the chest I've got in my bedroom? There.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. Or like
Or
TV unit.
me and Mum was also kind of talking like a radiator cover, so it looks like a mantelpiece.
Oh, that'd be nice for in your bedroom.
But we could do it both.
Could do both. And then this door leads to...
Welcome to my crib.
Welcome to the crib. The crib. Light.
Kitchen.
I need to sneeze. I love this kitchen. I think it's amazing.
Yeah.
This is all my shit.
Yeah. Just moving into.
I'm moving in.
So, yeah, kitchen. Wash is going to go here. Talking about getting some bar stools.
I'd love that. I think it'd be amazing.
Little, like, kitchen, drinking, party area.
Lovely.
And then we go to, like, proper keys.
There's going to be a fridge freezer here. And I think maybe like a little round or square table here with some plants on.
Yeah.
That would be nice. And then you need something really big here.
I can't decide whether I want like a little bistro table here, so just like a two-person table, like, you know, like cute little dates and stuff.
Yeah, like breakfast dates.
Yeah.
Well, then you could sit there.
You could sit there. So I don't really know how I feel about that. But what's that? And then maybe like some art.
Like a big art.
Big art.
One big art. Or three. I love a good triptych.
Yeah. Maybe you could.
You know what I'm gonna do? I was about to say. I'll get some selfies of us like fucking huge. Wallpaper.
I was thinking more like landscape.
Oh no,
like...
us. Selfies.
I want pictures everywhere.
Yeah.
Literally everywhere.
I love the fact that you can see like all the way out.
See, me and my mum was talking about curtains in here, and I was saying I don't particularly want curtains in here. I'd rather have curtains in there because I feel uncomfortable if I can't see in there.
Yeah,
just
like there could be somebody hiding in it.
Exactly. So, conservatory.
Which is hot. Actually, no, it's quite cold.
Scary cupboard.
Scary cupboard.
Scary cupboard.
Party toilet! Well, what's your plan for this window?
We're going to get some wooden trellis in that looks like garden stuff.
It'd be nice.
And put some RV up on it. Can't say we won't rail out.
Can I just have a moment? Look at yourself. Look how nice the lighting is.
Ooh. How cute.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, this is really nice. Yeah, and get some plants. I don't know what to do in here. I might get like some chairs or...
I think like like a big, you know, like a snuggly chair.
Yeah, like
you know, that you can fit two people.
Like a reading den.
And then you could get a shelf, like a tiny little bookshelf here, and put books on it.
Yeah.
And then a plant in this corner.
Or even like, you know, like a low shelf. Like where you've got.
Oh yeah, here that'd fill up that
and
bit.
like,
Yeah.
It depends if it gets damp in here or not.
We can put speakers in here because it's a plug.
Yeah.
Genius. Party room.
Garden. Needs work. Needs a lot of work.
But it's a beautiful garden.
It's got a lot.
My favourite bit is this little arch here. Ooh.
The party toilet has a window.
Party toilet window. This is bad karaoke. Bush. 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 Pardon? Bush. Shed. Ta-da.
Shed that I don't have the key for.
So we're going to get some bolt cutters and get into the shed.
Hoping Pat Moz has got some.
He'll have some somewhere.
So there's some shit in that corner.
Oh, and a dead
something.
Looks like a Christmas tree.
But when next month, so not August payday, we'll go to some garden centres. We'll get some winter.
I love garden centres. Let's get a Christmas tree. I think a hedge would go here.
Yeah, like maybe I could plant a hedge.
You could plant a hedge.
Or like some little trees.
And what about your patio furniture plan?
I've got some wooden patio furniture, 6 chairs. I'm building a barbecue.
Sorry, I can't stop dancing. Oh yeah, barbecue in the corner.
Barbecue, chairs.
Chairs, table. Oh, and for this thing, we're thinking, I keep saying we, to empty it out and turn into like a little flower bed.
Why is it going to need to empty out? We could just put soil on the top.
And you could do something with this top bit as well.
Like, this is all common. It's so good for plants.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, and this bit should also probably be a flower bed, shouldn't it?
Yeah, so we'll make that into a flower bed.
Yeah. So on the same day we go and do the garden centre shop, we could do a gardening day, do all the weeding.
Yeah.
I'll wear better shoes than this.
We could
and
go quite
we'll get
early in the
gloves.
morning. We
Yeah.
could pop to like Beverley and go to some garden centres, like Beverley and like Ruse and places like that.
Yes. I have a thumb. Hey, Peachy.
Brickred
I've just zoomed in on your bum again. I'm sorry. Whee! Aye. Smells like oranges.
Where do we go first?
Not your butt, just something. Yes. Master bedroom.
Master
Masturbator.
The gal's bedroom.
Whee! We're not sure if this is ugly or not.
We can't decide whether it's nice or whether it's ugly, but whatever it is, it's lopsided. So.
Oh yeah. Why is it there?
Aesthetic.
Dead fly.
Dead fly. Bed. Here.
Bed.
Bed.
Alcove.
Alcove, don't know what's going to go in there. Drawers. Wardrobe.
Wardrobe in this alcove, which
Big
is
wardrobe.
huge.
Don't know what colour we're going to paint yet, but
We're thinking blue.
we're thinking blue.
We're thinking blue. Next bedroom.
Next bedroom, cracking on.
Whee!
Second bedroom.
Woo! My room.
Bedroom slash my sister's room slash spare room slash office.
Slash everything.
So we're going to put bed.
Single bed.
Single bed. Desk. Working space that Ashleigh can work from home.
Yay!
Wardrobe, drawers, storage, whatever fits. Whatever doesn't fit somewhere else.
And we're gonna get some really nice lampshades.
I don't even think the lights are all in weird places. They're all like...
Yeah, it's very close to the window. It's pretty weird. And the
There
bathroom.
was a toilet roll.
Oh yeah, and everything's on this side.
It's very strange.
But
There's
that's
no
how it is.
bath,
Floor
but...
and no bath. But the shower
Shower.
is all marbly on the inside, which I think is lovely.
It does need a clean.
It does need a clean.
Okay.
All we've done is hoover the floor. And again, the light is in quite a strange place.
See,
But
this
sink,
This isn't the bathroom light, that's why I've
toilet.
done it.
Oh shit.
Because you don't want condensation.
Oh, no, you don't.
There's electrics.
Mirror here.
Yeah, big mirror, big shelving unit. with all my-
Huge bit of storage can go there. Yeah. Towels and the such.
Yeah.
Some nice candles on the mantle. On the mantle. What's that called?
Windowsill.
Windowsill.
This the house.
I love it.
Isn't it amazing?
Yeah, I'm so happy.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Take no for an answer, you fucking bitch.
audience that I saw you doing that. Tears, real tears. You're ruining your makeup. Come on, love. I'll make you a coffee and some dinner. Thank you. Send it.
This mine.
Boom!
Happy Monday morning. I've been awake a fair few hours, but I'm planning on filming a Primark haul, but because I didn't buy that much stuff, I wanted to do a like whatever with each item, like a dressing up and dressing down way of styling it. So I've been ploughing through my wardrobe, trying to find outfits, well, components of outfits that would work with primary colours, without just being like, I'll pair black with everything and being boring. And because I'm not so good at like dressing up, it's been quite a challenge, but I'm happy with my outfits. So after I have put on my face and done something with my hair, I will be filming that, and then after that my Instagram Q&A, because I really like that question feature. So I thought, oh, look like I've got a black eye. So I thought it would be cute to utilise it in a Q&A video, because I've not done a proper like ask people I know questions Q&A. I've just done like pre-done tags and stuff like that. So I'm hoping I'll get a couple more questions, because I asked for them a couple of weeks ago and then I forgot about it, and then I've asked again for some more. I've got about 7, which I think is a good amount, but I'd like maybe about 10.
Dad's just come in from work and gone, look at what I found. What did you find, Dad?
I found them.
Temporary tattoos! They look like they're from the very early 2000s. There's 5 packets in here. We're going to put them on Mum while she's asleep.
Oh, failing that, I'm just going to sit on her while you put them on her anyway.
Yes. So we're going to cover Mum in musical notes with wings, guitar with wings, tribal. Ooh. Very. Should we open it and see if there's any more?
See what's in there.
Because there's 5 packets. We think they're all the same.
It would be quite funny if we put 5 of the same tattoo on her.
Yes. All the way down around.
And they won't come off.
They're all different!
Oh,
I want that one.
You can have that one.
So we have the cover packet that we've just seen. We've got, oh, look at that one!
Oh, that's epic.
These are so cool. And we have some with skulls on. This is the one I'm going to have. Are you going to have this one?
Oh,
that's so good.
Might have to have that one there.
Oh, flames. Lots of flames. Oh, no, there was some.
More flames.
More flames. I'm going to put this one around my wrist.
Look at the burning drum kit.
And then you need that one, like Burning Man. And then this one, which I like this one. So I think this one, I like him. So which one should we stick on Mum?
I think that one.
I think that one
is the most clanging.
We're going to put this one on her hand. Should we put it on her hand so she can't hide it?
Or the guitar with wings.
Oh, we do like the guitar with the wings. That one's very nice. Oh. And the tribal, we could put it as a tramp stamp on her.
We'll have to wait till she's asleep for that one.
We can do this. Hot meat.